All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about add-ons. So if I click on the add-ons menu, you'll see right here they have a whole bunch of add-ons that you can extend the power of XD with plugins, kickstart your designs with UI kits, and integrate directly with third-party apps. So let's take a look at a couple of these, okay? So we have, for app integration, you have Jira Server, Simply adjust size by shortcut, nudge and resize, lorem ipsum. So you can basically add lorem ipsum code, not code, but text to your project to fill the content where it would be. Think of it as a placeholder, okay? Then they have Apple iOS design. So let's open this one up because we're going to be doing a lot of design. Okay, Microsoft Teams, UI Faces, Web Wireframes. So let's take a look at that. I'll bring that over. Here we go. Okay, so with this, 2 free wireframes UX kits for mobile and web built exclusively for Adobe XD. Go from the idea to design fast with a comprehensive set of ready-to-use components, templates, and more. So we will be utilizing this later in the course where we're going to work off of this template first, and then we will build one from scratch as well. Okay? So I'll close that out. Go ahead and close your browser. Then we have Slack, which you can do app integration. Jira, app integration, Amazon Alexa. So it's a UI kit. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, that one didn't open. We can do dashboard, UI kit. Okay, and this is again another Adobe dashboard UI kit, which again, we'll utilize this for a project and then we'll build one from scratch. You know, so you can get kind of the visual of what it looks like and then use that as kind of a framework to design your own, you know. Okay, so I'll close that. They have Auto Animate UI Kit, My 500 UI Kit, Trello Plugin, and then Zeppelin app integration. So Trello, let's take a look at this one. Easily send XD assets to your Trello board. Share artboards and layers with your team without leaving XD. Trello plugin simply visual interface helps you manage creative tasks with ease and keeps your team updated with the most recent design assets that you create in XD. So if you look at this, when you click on this and you integrate this in, when you create a new card, okay, and let me give you more of a visual here so you understand what Trello is. So Trello is like a project management application, okay? So what they're saying is when you get the add-on of Trello, you can literally create boards like this or cards like this, and you can set tasks like this, and every time you do something, it integrates with Adobe XD if you do the add-on, okay? So it's a really cool way to integrate project management into your Adobe XD files without having to leave the program, okay? And here you can see you can do plugins. So they have 3 categories up here: plugins, UI kits, and then app integration. So let's look at app integration first. And then here are the top ones that they have: Microsoft Teams, Slack, Dropbox, Jira, Protopie, and Zeppelin, okay? You can browse, so you can check all the categories. So the collaboration, tools and automation, usability and testing, publish and handoff, and then design assets, okay? And that's for app integration. Then you have UI kits, which again, we're going to be using a lot in the course. So they have Airtable, Trello, user testing, Google Sheets, Cloud App, Overflow, Stark, Angle, UI Faces, and so much more. But you can see that's plugins. We want to do UI kits. So with UI kits, we have Apple Design, Microsoft UWP Design, Material Design, IBM Design Kit, Adobe Experience Management, Manager Core Components, and then create unique user experiences with UI kits made exclusive for XD. So you can use these as kind of a starting point for your design and then customize them to what you want. And that's what they made them for. To make it easy for you, the user who's either learning Adobe XD or you want to get started quickly, you can grab one of these and start building right away. And you don't have to build it from scratch. But we are going to build a complete design from scratch because you really understand everything when you do that. This is kind of a, think of this as kind of a shortcut, which is fine. I mean, it's okay to have a shortcut because if you want to get right to work, that's fine. Okay. So that's the UI kits. They have icon sets. Okay. So you can use these. They also have app integration, which we talked about, Microsoft Teams, Jira, Slack, Avocode, nice, instead of avocado, Kite app, Simply, and then plugins. And these are just the popular ones that they have. So that's why they show up first, which is fine. Okay. So yeah, plugins, same thing. It's just going to show the same thing here. You can also browse the plugins, and then it's going to give you the same categories: design, assets, publish, and handoff, usability and testing, tools and automation, collaboration, and then all categories. Same deal. So this is like a calendar designed with real data. 13 languages. You can quickly design a calendar, which is really cool. We're going to have a lot of fun with this application. So this gives you a way to extend the power of Adobe XD. Think of this as an extension of Adobe XD. Okay, so I'm really excited to get started with this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.